These chocolate bombs are all you need to keep yourself warm during this winter season. Hi family and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. Happy New Year to you all, and I pray this year is an amazing year for everybody. So today I'm gonna be showing you how we do the hot chocolate bombs. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, the first thing we're going to do is to melt our chocolate. You could do that in a microwave or over a boiling pot till very light. So fam, once our chocolate is cooled a little bit, we're going to go ahead and take 1 teaspoon of chocolate and put in each mold and use a brush to spread around. Make sure the layers are thin because we're going to be doing 2 layers. Repeat the process for all the other holes on your mold and pop it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes while you do the white chocolate. Pop your white chocolate into the refrigerator and take out the other chocolate and do your second coat. So fam, it's time to take off our chocolate from the mold. I love the silicone molds because it's easier to take off the chocolate without breaking them. Place them on top of anything that will help you to fill your chocolate smoothly without you necessarily touching them all the time. So fam, in order to fill our chocolate shells, let's go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of hot cocoa mix and marshmallows. You can use melted chocolate to actually fuse your chocolate shells together, or you could just warm up a saucepan and gently place the other top of the chocolate on it and let it melt just a little bit, and then you place it over the one loaded with the marshmallows and gently press it. Our chocolate bombs are ready. Let's go ahead and decorate them with some candy melts and some sprinkles. While decorating your hot chocolate bombs, go ahead and warm up some milk. Make it really hot. So fam, are you ready? Our cocoa bombs are about to explode. So what we're gonna do right now is to get a cup and put a little bit of hot cocoa mix in it and place our chocolate bombs on top of it and then pour our hot milk. And there you go fam, that looks like a cup of milk with some marshmallow toppings. So fam, go ahead and give it a stir, and guess what? Give yourself a treat. Thank you so much family for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you.